In this episode, we trade mountains for canals, head to the city of Venice to do some sightseeing. Of course, always have some good food and good drinks. This is Nick with Bearded Adventures, and we're bringing you along with us. The day starts off with this beautiful view of the valley from our hotel. You can see the mountains in the background and the clouds. It just looks amazing. It was a 3-hour drive from Stabio, where we were staying at our hotel, to Venice. We finally made it. Quick tip, when you're parking, we decided to park as close as we could to the city, and so we didn't have to walk as far. But parking was like $30 an hour. So if you park further away, it was like $15 for the entire day. We ended up moving our vehicle later in the day. But yeah. And growing up on a lake, I've always loved water and boats. This city just brings both of those together in such a great way. Everywhere you look, there's canals. There's no roads. It's all just canals. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone's familiar with that. It's Venice. But be here and to experience it is just truly amazing. First stop is for some gelato. You can't be in Italy and not get gelato. One thing to note, we paid everywhere in Italy and Switzerland with tap. You just tap your phone and we were able to pay, do the exchange rate with it and everything. We didn't partake, but I overheard them talking to the gondola captain, I guess. Said it was 105 euros for a 45-minute tour.
Il ragù deve essere times and places are all in who you share them with, and it's life.
There are so many amazing places to eat. It is really hard to figure out where you want to eat. But yes, food looks delicious. St. Thomas Church, built in 1385. There's like a million churches in this town, city, but yeah, this is one of the older ones. And this is a church, the St. Roch. I believe it's Roch, R-O-C-H. 1508 is when it was built. This building here, I'm not Italian enough to pronounce correctly, so I'm going to write it down on the screen below there.
That would be probably something to go on.
One of the few places you can find trees or actually any greenery in the Venice. It's mostly canals and just houses and villas. Again, another name I'm not Italian enough to pronounce, but I believe it was a like a regional courthouse or some kind of palace to that effect. But it was built in 1172, which is really old. I told you there's a million churches in this city/town. This is another pretty awesome one.
Dance with me beneath the stars, moonlight crashing on our wild hearts. With your head in mine, everything is fine. We've still got the rest of our lives, the rest of our lives, the rest of our lives. struck a gold mine with your hand in mine. Our love came alive. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Oh, the rest of our lives.
These affirmations
Dance with me beneath the stars.
A quick hint: we might see this place again later.
Flashing on our walls. With your hand in mine, everything is fine. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Carry the love that we swore. If you just take my hand, oh, won't you just take my hand for the rest of our lives? For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. Oh.
Yeah, you're right. 0. Oh, I was surprised there was a tree growing back there. The other side. Oh, really? That'll be cool to see.
know this isn't a typical bearded adventures type video of outdoor adventures, normally doing some kind of kayaking or hiking. But this was such an amazing adventure that I wanted to bring you guys along with me and show you how cool the city is, that maybe someday you can visit it. If not, you can enjoy watching the little bit of time we spent here. I told you we'd see this place again. This is where we decided to have dinner. Quiet little canal. Sat down, had a couple pizzas and some good beer. Oh, and can't forget the steak tartare as the appetizer. That was pretty awesome. I know they say this in every video, but if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the trail.